Alright friends, now we have arrived at the topic of method overriding. So let's say I have a parent class and a subclass. For example, in my animal class, I have a method named eat, as you see. Now, in the dog class, I define a method with the same name. So I copy these. I come and I paste here. I paste here. I want to say dogs eat dog food. So I change it. Dogs eat dog food. Alright. In the parent animals just eat. In the child, dogs eat dog food. So when I call here alex.eat, so which one runs? So when I run the program, we will see what happened. I come here, I run, you see dogs eat dog food. So the overriding method in the subclass has priority. That's how we specialize behavior using inheritance. But be careful, you can only override methods that exist in the parent class. You see, I have same name and I have here the same name. The priority is in the child class. So that's why dogs eat dog food appears on the screen. I hope you understand.